Hello children, good morning. So in our today's class, we will learn about different types of keys present in the database. So for this, here our class begins. So for creating the table in datasheet view or in design view, you have to first creating the table in datasheet view. Datasheet view, this one is the by default view that in front of you when you creating the database, some window is there. You will double click on the field name, and when you are double clicking on the field name, you will mention the field name and then insert the values. Like this we are creating the table in datasheet view. And these create option, you have seen that in practical also, that create tab is responsible for creating everything. So first is click on create tab. So first is click on this create tab. Here is the table design, and from here you will select this and you will select this table option, and when you are clicking on this table option, your table will open in this datasheet view. And here double click on this field name and mention the field name, select the data type, and then insert these values. So this one is your datasheet view, and then you will say do the save the changes in this and write the product means your table name, and then click OK. So in this manner we are creating the table in datasheet view. Again I'll repeat that we can create the table by two methods. One is datasheet view and one is design view. So for creating something, which tab is responsible? Create tab. One method is that in front of you that table will appear, and in that table you will start filling the values. That by default view is datasheet view. Otherwise if you are not able to find datasheet view, then what you will do, you will click on create tab. Okay, you want to insert one more table. One table to already is there, you are filling the entries, but one more table you want to insert, then click on create tab. In create tab, here is table option. When you are clicking on this table option, that table will appear. Here is add to field name, आता है ना, that double click to add. When you are double clicking on this one, we will mention the field name. These are the field name column, also known as field. So mention field name and then select data type. And after doing all the field name, after filling all the field name, you will start filling the entries in the table, means insert the data or value. And if your all the records you have inserted, then you will save that table. For saving the table, you will use either shortcut key Control S, or from the database, from the quick access toolbar, you will choose save option, or from file tab you will select save option. When you are clicking on save, then this window will appear. You will save your table with this any name and then click OK. Okay, this thing we have done in practical also. Next is creating a table in design view. For creating a table in design view, that first option is you will first switch to design view. Okay, otherwise you will click on create tab. When you are clicking on create tab, here you will check. When you are clicking on create tab, here is the option table design, and when you are clicking on table design, this designing window will appear like this. You will mention your field name, your data type, and the description. Whatever description you are giving here, it is not visible to the user during entry. It is visible on status bar. Okay, at bottom status bar is there it is visible. So in design view, that second option is that on the left hand side you are having that this one is your navigation pane. In navigation pane, if you want to open any table in design view, first you will select that table and then right click. There you will find the option design view. When you are clicking on design view, your table will be open in design view. Now here you are having field name, data type, and here is the description that you will fill, and then you will save your table. And with this, your table design is completed. Now you will start filling the entries. Okay, so in this manner we are creating the table in design view, and here then save the table, and like this. So children, our today's task is about all the different keys, about all the keys. Look, these keys are the important one. In exam definitely question is there that define foreign key, define candidate key, define primary key, like this. So we will discuss about these key. Primary key previous also we have done. So what is actually primary key? Primary key is that field in the table by which we can uniquely identify the record. Okay, this one is my table. So in the table, if you are not inserting primary key, then MS Access will add ID field as primary key, and that ID field contain unique value, and by that ID field we are able to distinguish between different records. this one is my table, and here is ID field, here is name, here is class, and here is roll number. Suppose roll number is not there, in place of this I am having section. So section ID field, so that database is created. I am writing name Ram, class 10th, section periwinkle, and one more child, name is Ram, and his class is also 10th and section is also same periwinkle. Now I am not able to distinguish between these two child, which one is Ram Yadav, which one is Ram Sharma. Okay, so for this ID field help us here to identify these two record, that which one is Ram Sharma and which one is Ram Yadav. Okay, so what is actually primary key? Primary key, that in a table one field must be there that will not contain duplicate value, that will help us to identify the different record. Okay, here is name, here is class, and here is your roll number. Here I am writing Ram, here I am writing Sham, class 10, and here roll number 24. Every child is having different roll number, 24, 34. So here roll number field we can take as primary key, because with the help of every child is having different roll number, and with that roll number we can easily distinguish between the children. In your class also, no, teacher is asking about your roll number, and with that roll number teacher identify, okay, roll number 15 is that child. Okay, so means here in this table when we are saving the record, here 24 or this 34 is able to identify which one is Ram and which one is Sham. Okay, so what is actually primary key? That primary key, that is will hold unique value and does not contain null value. Null means कभी blank नहीं छोड़ सकते primary key को, और जिस भी field को मैंने set कर दिया as a primary key, it will not contain duplicate value, and this field is responsible to distinguish all the records in the table. Now this primary key is of three type. One is your auto number primary key. Auto number primary key, that MS Access added ID field. So the value of which what is actually auto number primary key? As its name suggests, auto number. Auto number means that will identify your record. Okay, your ID field, that is automatically added by MS Access, and this whose value will one automatic every time incremented by 1. Okay, ID field we are using as auto number, that MS Access added ID field, and ID field is auto number data type. Auto number data type, that ID is a auto number primary key. What does it mean, ma'am? That this one is my table and this ID field is added by the MS Access. Automatic one number is generated by that field. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, that suppose it started first number 2 is there, next time incremented by 1 3, next time incremented by 1 4, and like this. So this ID field is responsible for distinguish all the records. So this one is auto number primary key. Children, next one is single field primary key. Single field primary key. What is single field primary key? That in the table I am creating, and I am the field name, here is name, here is class, here is roll number. Now here roll number. Roll number is a single field primary key. Single field है, single column we are placing as primary key. So this single field is responsible for identifying the record uniquely. So this one is single field primary key, roll number. Okay, so what next is multi-field primary key. Multi-field primary key, what is multi-field primary key? Just say for example, this one is my table. Here is I am writing first name. First name means your name. Your last name means your surname. Here is your class and here is your section. Okay, now I am filling the entry. Here is Ram Yadav, and here one more child, Ram Sharma, and class 10th, section all same, periwinkle 10th periwinkle, like this. Okay, so if we check this field here, if I thought कि I will place first name as primary key, I am not able, because राम तो same हो गया, तो ये primary key नहीं define कर सकती. Next I thought चलो last name I will set primary key, but here Ram Yadav Sharma, तो okay, I will distinguish Yadav and Sharma, but in this class so many Yadav and so many Sharmas are there, so last name I will not able to set as primary key. Next one is your class. Class same, how can I set it as primary key? इसको भी नहीं कर सकती. Section periwinkle, इसको भी नहीं कर सकती. It means I am unable to set primary key. तो क्या मैं आईडी फील्ड को लूँ, बट आई वॉन्ट टू सेट माई ओन प्राइमरी की. ओके, सो इन एवरी टेबल दैट एवरी टेबल कंटेन ओनली वन फील्ड एज अ प्राइमरी की. ठीक है, सॉरी, एवरी टेबल इज हैविंग ओनली वन प्राइमरी की. ओके, सो हर टेबल में क्या होगा, सिर्फ एक ही प्राइमरी की सेट कर सकते हैं. आई डोंट वॉन्ट आईडी फील्ड एज प्राइमरी की सेट भी मुझे ही करनी है, बट हेयर आई एम नॉट एबल टू टेक एनी फील्ड एज अ primary key. So MS Access or this database allows you that you can set primary key with the combination of two. MS Access allows you that you can set the combination of two as a primary key. Means primary key is one only in and one table, only one primary key you can set. But here I am not able to set any field as a primary key. So MS Access or this database allows you that you can set the primary key with the combination of two fields or with the combination of three fields. ठीक है, कॉम्बिनेशन से कर सकते हैं, बट प्राइमरी की वो एक ही रहेगी. हियर फर्स्ट नेम एंड लास्ट नेम बोथ कॉम्बिनेशन आई सेट एज प्राइमरी की. आई एम हियर राइटिंग राम, नो प्रॉब्लम. यादव, नो प्रॉब्लम. I am writing Ram, primary key ma'am. How can it take duplicate value? Because primary key, I am not setting first name as primary key. I am setting first name plus last name as primary key. If here also I am writing Yadav, it will show error that primary key contain duplicate value. So in place of this, if you are writing Sharma here, now you are able to distinguish Ram Yadav and Ram Sharma. Okay, so what is actually multi-field primary key? Multi-field primary key, that when we are not able to set single field as a primary key, then there we are using multiple field to set primary key. Primary key always one in a table. So here this one is multi-field primary key, and when we are making primary key with more than one field, तो वो वाली जो primary key होती है, that one is also known as composite key. You have seen na that in science composition of these metal, composition of gases in atmosphere. ठीक है, composition means mixture. So here this one is a mixture of these two field, and these two field now they are able to distinguish between different record. ठीक है, with the help of these two now I am able to distinguish all the records. So this one is known as multi-field primary key, or we can say this one is our composite key. Okay, again I'll repeat that what is actually primary key which uniquely identifying the record, and in a table it is compulsory to place primary key. If you are not placing primary key, then MS Access place ID field as a primary key. The quality of primary key is to unique identifying the record, because एक advantage था ना इसका, that it reduce data duplicacy को allow नहीं करता that database. So for this, database is using primary key field as to uniquely identifying the record, और duplicacy से reduce हो जाती है, remove हो जाती है. Okay. Now this primary key is of three type. First one हमने auto number primary key. Auto number में क्या होता है, that ID field when we are placing as primary key, then that ID field will use auto number. Automatic number is placed by the MS Access, and that number is incremented by 1. If we are placing ID field as primary key, then that primary key is known as auto number primary key. Next one is our single field primary key. Single field primary key, children, that in a table I am using roll number as a primary key or phone number as a primary key. So that roll number और that phone number is a single field. Single field primary key हो गया, एक single field को मैंने set किया as a primary key. Multi-field primary key. Sometime what happened that any single field is not able to differentiate different records. So for that we don't want that ID field as primary key. ठीक है, प्राइमरी की सेट भी खुद ही करनी है, बट सिंगल फील्ड इज नॉट अलाउड और नॉट कैपेबल टू डिस्टिंग्विश डिफरेंट रिकॉर्ड. So there we are using multi-field primary key, and here in multi-field primary key, that in a table we are having two column, here first name, here last name, and ना तो individual first name is able to distinguish the record, not even the last name is able to distinguish the record. So in place of this I am using composite primary key, or we can say multi-field primary key. मैंने दोनों fields को combination से क्या किया, I am setting primary key. Primary key always one in a table. Now with the help of first name and last name we are able to distinguish the children. In your class also you have na that so many children are having same name, but we are differentiating with their surname. ठीक है. And if those who are having same surname, then we will differentiate with their roll number, with their phone number. So multi-field primary key क्या होता है? That when we are making primary key with multiple field, with the combination of multiple field, that one is known as multi-field primary key. Multi-field primary key also known as composite key. Composition is there, mixture कर दिया मैंने 2-3 fields का, तो ये क्या, इसको also known as composite key. Children, next one is candidate key. Here, suppose I am creating one table, and in my table, here is name, here is roll number, here is SR number, okay, and here is your phone number. So everyone is having different roll number, different SR number, different phone number. So here, suppose I am setting roll number as a primary key. I am setting roll number as a primary key. What is candidate key? You have seen that in elections, that one is the CM or one can act as a PM. जो election जीतेगा, that one will act as a CM or PM. But remaining candidate, they can also, if you are giving chance to others, so they will also act as a PM, they will also act as a CM. So here same thing. Roll number I am setting as primary key. ठीक है. So now this field SR number, if this SR number will get the chance, then this will also can act as a primary key. ये भी primary key बन सकता था if this S number we can give chance. This one is phone number. Phone number will also do the same. Phone number भी distinguish कर सकता था मैम. But here we are giving this chance to roll number. So roll number here is primary key. But this S number, serial number, and this your phone number, they are known as candidate key. Candidate means they are able to distinguish the record. If you will give them chance, they will also able to uniquely identifying the records. Children, our next one is alternate key. Alternate क्या होता है? That in place of this you will, if you are not following this key as a primary key, you will choose this one. We are giving alternatives now, that in place of this you will choose this one. We are giving choices them. Or if you are not don't want this, you don't want S number, serial number नहीं चाहिए, you will take phone number को भी set कर. So these phone number and your serial number, they can act as a alternate key. Alternate key means that they can, all the candidate key are the alternate of primary key. Okay, so what we learn about candidate key. Candidate key क्या होता है? That in a table, if in a table here is your roll number, here is your serial number, here is your phone number, and here is your name. Roll number we are setting as primary key, but we can set serial number also as a primary. कर सकते थे. We can set, we will set this phone number also as a primary key. कर सकते थे. If we set as serial number as a primary key, then this serial number is also able to distinguish between them. This phone number is also able to distinguish between them. So it means your serial number, your phone number, they are the candidate. They are the candidate of this primary key. अगर इनको chance मिलता तो ये भी primary key बन सकती थी. So these are the candidate key of primary key. Okay. Next one is alternate key. Alternate means if roll number you are setting as primary key, in place of this you can take serial number also as a primary key. You can take phone number also as a primary key. Means these are the alternate of primary key. ठीक है. So all the candidate key, जितनी भी candidate key होती हैं, they are can act as a alternate key, or we can say they are also alternate key of primary key. Okay, children. Our next one is foreign key. What is foreign key? देखो composite key क्या होता है? When we are setting primary key more than one field, then this one act as a composite key. Okay. Next one is your foreign key. Foreign means abroad से जो आया है, foreign में रहता है वो, foreign से आया है. In a database we are having more than one table, and from beginning I told that in database we are able to join the tables. ठीक है, हम database में tables को मैं join भी करते हैं. That's why it is RDBMS. So it means that this one is my table number 1. Suppose this one is my table number 1. Here field name is name, and here is roll number, and here this roll number I am setting as primary key. I am making one more table, and here is name, and here is SR number. ठीक है, and in this table SR number is the primary key. Two different tables are there. So now I join this. अब क्या होगा, one new table is formed with this when we join them. तो join होने पे new table, name, your roll number and your SR number. ठीक है. So here in this table name and roll number is the table. ठीक है. And roll number is the primary key. This SR number means the primary key of another table is known as foreign key for this table. Okay, again I repeat, what is foreign key? Foreign means जो बाहर से आ रहा है. Here in this name is the name and roll number we are setting as primary key, and SR number means primary key of this table can act as a foreign key in this table. Again I'll repeat that primary key of this table means your SR number is the foreign key for this table in this database. Okay, now again we will repeat about these keys. Children, these keys are the important one. Definitely one question is there in the exam. Define primary key or define foreign key like this. So primary key क्या होता है? जो uniquely identify करता है records को. Primary key is having two quality. Unique होना चाहिए value and does not contain null value. Means that if you set roll number as primary field, तो means in that particular field you will not able to make it blank. उसको blank नहीं कर सकते. Now primary key is having different types. Auto number primary key. If ID field we set, तो ID is a auto number. It will take auto number data type. So it auto number is generated. So that one is auto number primary key. Single field primary key. If roll number I set as primary key, so that one is single field primary key. Multi-field primary key. Sometimes we are not able to place any field as primary key. So in the combination we are making primary key. Multiple fields को we are making combine and then we make primary key. So multi-field primary key, that one is multi-field primary key, and this multi-field primary key is also known as composite key. Next one is candidate key. In a table, I am creating one table. Table में we are having different column, name, roll number, section, SR number and your phone number, your address. So here roll number I am setting as primary key, but here if you will give chance, so SR number is also able to distinguish the record. Means SR number is a candidate for the primary key. Phone number सबका डिफरेंट होता है. फोन नंबर विल ऑल्सो एक्ट एज अ प्राइमरी की हेयर. ठीक है. सो इट मीन्स ऑल द की विच कैन एक्ट एज अ प्राइमरी की, दीज आर द कैंडिडेट की. ऑल्टरनेट की, कैंडिडेट जो होते हैं दे आर द ऑल्टरनेट ऑफ प्राइमरी की, उनका है ना. सो दीज आर द ऑल्टरनेट कीज. Next one is composite key. Composite key, when we are creating primary key with the combination of two. I am writing name and roll number I am setting as primary key, means composite key भी है ये. Okay. Sorry. One name is Ram and roll number is 24. One name is Ram and roll number is 34. So with the combination of these two, I am able to distinguish that Ram roll number 24 is different, Ram roll number 34 is different. So this one is composite key. Composite means when we are setting primary key with more than one field. Next one is alternate key. Alternate key, primary key, which can all the candidate key which can act as a primary key. These candidate key also known as alternate key. Composite key combination से होता है. Foreign key, primary key of another table is the foreign key for our table. Two tables are there in the database, table 1 and table 2. And the table 2, here S number, serial number is the primary key. In table 1, name and here roll number is the primary key. So this serial number, when we join them, this serial number can act as a foreign key in this table. Okay, so this one is means foreign से आई है, वहाँ दूसरी जगह से आई है. So this S number, serial number can act as a foreign key for this table. Okay, so children, next is how we can set primary key. How we can set primary key we have already done. You will open your table in design view. In design view, design tab, you will found this primary key option. From there you will do. Otherwise you will open your table in navigation pane ना, जो आके navigation pane design view. So you will go there and right click in design view. When you open the table, you will go and right click and there you will found the option of primary key. Okay. Next, in datasheet view, if you want to set any primary key, then in datasheet view, they are not with data types. With data types, two fields are there, required and unique. When you place those tick box है ना, when we are placing these two check boxes, so it means that required भी होना चाहिए और unique भी होना चाहिए. So both are the qualities of primary key. With that we can do. So primary key, how we can set? First you will select the field and then click on design tab, and from the design tab you will select primary key option if it is visible to you. Otherwise from your book you will check that in design tab where you will select this primary key option, and by this you will set any field as primary key. If you want to remove primary key, if you want to remove any field as primary key, for example this one is the id field and this one is a primary key field, you want to remove this, then what you have to do, first you will select this with the help of this row header. Select किया this field को and then click on this design tab and again select this primary key, means deselect this one. When I am again selecting this, so automatic deselect हो गया. It means by this we will remove the primary key. Okay children, if you found any problem you will tell this to me. I will repeat that one. Okay class. So in our today's class we will discuss about different types of these primary key. Thank you for listening.